Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to redeem your birthday gift from Ulta Beauty using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Ulta app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on account at the bottom right corner of your screen. During your birthday month, Ulta will send you an email. They will also add a birthday gift coupon to your account. Tap on rewards and look for your birthday gift coupon. Now you can redeem your gift in the store or online. Let's start with in store. Go to Ulta store and choose your birthday gift. Take it to the register. Open the app on your iPhone, tap rewards and show your barcode to the cashier. The cashier will scan it and your birthday gift will be free. Now let's talk about online. Add the birthday gift to your cart in the app or website. Add any other item if required. Go to checkout. Your birthday coupon will apply automatically, or you may need to apply coupon. And that's it. That's how you redeem your Ulta birthday gift using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.